Assalamu alaikum class.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I am fine.
Okay. Today our topic is noun. As you know that noun is the first part of speech.
Yes.
Okay. What is noun? Anyone is here who tell me the definition of noun?
Yes.
Okay, stand up.
A noun is the name of person, place, or things. For example, Ali Lahore pen.
Okay, let's start.
Chair is a thing.
Chair is a thing. Okay. Next.
Doctor is a person.
Doctor is a person. Okay. Next.
School is a place.
Okay. Next.
Teacher is person.
Teacher is person. Okay.
Burger is a thing.
Burger is a thing. Okay. Next.
Bank is a place.
Bank is a place. Okay.
Park is a place.
Park is a place. Okay. Next.
Boy is a person.
Boy is a person. Okay.
Cell phone is a thing.
Cell phone is a thing. Okay.